me.
Hi, my name is Amber. I'm going to be talking about the Skype app today. You can download it at Skype.com. You can get it on your phone as an app. I'm currently using it as an app on my laptop. Once you log in, you just create a simple account. You can go up here. You can use this to call people. You can look at your contacts. This is your notifications bar. Right here you can search for people. Search a friend, and you can start typing a message to send to them. I believe this would be great to use in classrooms, especially languages. You can connect with other professors long distance overseas. You can get firsthand from these languages using Skype. Say if you're in a classroom learning Spanish, you can connect with a Spanish speaker from Spain over Skype, and your whole class can be involved. I think this is a good app to use, and I definitely will be using it in my own classroom.